Hey everyone, welcome back. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon we are doing a walk around, startup, and a drive video on one gorgeous 1967 Chevrolet Camaro Super Sport. Now this car is a real Super Sport. It has a numbers matching 396 engine, 4-speed manual transmission. This car has undergone a nut and bolt rotisserie restoration, and I'm here to tell you, they don't get any better than this. They don't come any nicer, any cleaner. This car is absolutely gorgeous. It's painted in its original color of marina blue, the black stripe across the nose. It does have an RS package, which is a little bit harder to prove if it was a true RS car from the factory, but it definitely is a numbers matching 396 engine under the hood, stamped right on the pad. Wow, what a car. This thing it's as good as they get. As I said, the glass in this car is spotless, the stainless trim, the bright work, the chrome mirrors, the chrome door handles, the chrome bumpers. This car is straight as an arrow. Factory power steering, factory power brakes, disc brakes in the front, rally wheels with the caps and the rings. The wheels look new, BF Goodrich, radial TA raised white letters. This is a California car. It was built in Van Nuys, California. Look at the gaps on this car. Check out the door gaps, the panel fitment, the alignment. One gorgeous automobile. You can check down the sides of this car. It's straight as an arrow. Hideaway headlights, front chin spoiler. If you're looking for a 67 Camaro, like I said, they don't come any better. They don't get any nicer. Even the fly likes it. Door handles, glass, other than me putting a few fingerprints on it. Beautiful interior, bucket seats, factory console, Hurst shifter, 4-speed, tilt steering column, SS steering wheel. The jambs are beautiful. The interior is gorgeous in this car. Back seat, all the seat belts are there. The package tray, the sail panels, the headliner, the visors, the gauges. The odometer is 99,495 miles. The clock works. The AM radio works. Man, I tell you what, I'd like to find the guy who painted this. Dana Chevrolet, Southgate, California. I'd like to find the guy who painted this car because they did one incredible job. Factory stamp. Rubber seals are great shape. Spare tire, jack, all the components, trunk mat, jack instructions. This vehicle is equipped with a limited slip differential, rear wheel drive if in contact with ground, even though opposite wheel is raised. Do not run engine with vehicle on jack unless transmission is in neutral or park. See owner's manual for more details. 12-bolt rear end. I'll put this thing up on the hoist here in a little while and I'll show you the undercarriage, but just gives you kind of a rough idea of what it looks like. Wow. In my opinion, I think this is a museum quality car. You're gonna take it to a Camaro show or all Chevy show, everyone's gonna love this car. 67s actually, I love the 69s, but 67's gotta be a real close right in there for me, because the 68s are fine. The 67s, I'm sure everyone already knows, 67's the only year that had the wing windows. Even the Firebirds, I like the 67 Firebirds as well. Hold on here 1 second, let's set you down so I can raise this hood. There we go. There's that 396. It's got the correct intake. It's got the correct carb spacer, correct valve covers, exhaust manifolds, battery cables. Got a ladybug there. Get off there. Just one gorgeous automobile. I'll fire this thing up. Man, this thing sounds great, looks great, runs great. It's so exciting when you can buy cars like this and sell them, because you know whoever gets this thing is just going to be in heaven. Blower motor. Owner's manual. Cigarette lighter, bright headlight indicator, left turn, right turn, tire pressure sticker. What an awesome car. Sounds great. Listen to this thing. What a bad boy. Hideaway headlights work. Turn signals. We'll flip the other ones on. We'll flip the bright headlights or the dim headlights on. The bright headlights are on now. Damn, what a car. I get chills just talking about this car, just hearing it run. What a bad boy. Just absolutely gorgeous. Let's take this baby out for a cruise. If you could see me right now, I'm smiling ear to ear. Oh, there's the wipers too. Oil pressure is about 3/4 of a gauge. Gas gauge is sitting at 1/4. The clock works. Battery voltage is right about half. Tachometer works. What a car. tell you, yes, that cowl induction hood was not stock on a 67. So if you wanted to put the stock hood on it, you sure could. But man, oh man, I don't think I changed a single thing about this car. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. www.kinionauto.com, K-I-N-I-O-N auto.com. Again, we buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, specialty inventory every day. So give us a call and put this beautiful 67 big block 396 4-speed Camaro in your garage, because you are going to be extremely pissed off when your neighbor gets this car and you see how good this car is. You don't believe me that this car is this good? Drive in, fly in, ride your bicycle, tricycle, whatever you want to do. We'll pick you up at the airport, bus station, whatever you want. Come on out and check out our inventory. We buy classic cars. We buy the best. We can sell the best. Highway headlights work just like they're supposed to. This is one bad boy. You can see I'm smiling ear to ear. Holy cow. There's no disappointments. I love this car. I wasn't even in it, folks. Gets you right up to 70, 75 mile an hour in a heartbeat. Woo! Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. Again, 563-452-2450, KinionAuto.com. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have not already, and those of you who have subscribed, I really appreciate it. We really appreciate here at Kinion Classics. The more people that see our videos and know what kind of quality cars we have, the better off we all are, and that makes our job easier. So thank you very much, very sincerely. I'll be back at you here. I got about 6 or 7 more great collector cars to show you yet today, so I gotta let you go. I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching.